Let's see how you can easily add memory to your AI chatbots so that it can remember the past conversations and respond accordingly as well. So this can actually work on Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS and other channels too, and also support the powerful AI language models such as OpenAI, Google Gemini Claude, XAI and other models too. So here I'm in a demo account, and here we have connected all the support channels right here. And here if you want to build an AI chatbot for your business, you have to go to the AI hub over here and connect the API keys from any of these AI platforms like OpenAI, Google Gemini, XAI or DeepSeek as well. So here we have created some AI chatbot for different businesses. So let me use the existing one right here. For example, let me open this one, Blue River Plumbing Services. So let me open this one right here. So here we have all the information about that specific company. So here in the company overview, we have all the information about that specific company right here, the services, the opening hours and other things as well. So here we have all the details as well, along with the frequently asked questions. So here if you scroll up, here we are actually fetching the conversation history using a specific variable chat history details large. So this is a system field offered by our platform to handle the conversation history between the user and the chatbot as well. So if you simply enter or fetch the specific variable into the system message or prompt, it will automatically add the specific conversation history of the specific user. So since this is a variable, this chat history will differ from user to user. So here if you go to the help center window right here, where you can find all these system field variables as well. So here I'm in the help center. You can go to the static media system fields. So let me open this one. So here you can find system field related to different contacts and other things as well. So regarding the specific chat history details large, so here this is a system variable chat history details large, returns the last 200 messages between user and the business with sender info as well. So it can actually return up to the last 200 messages, which is a huge one comparing the chatbot automations on the Facebook, Instagram and other things. So it can simply return the specific messages up to, so it can actually return up to the last 200 messages over there. So using this specific variable, you can fetch the chat history as well. So here you can add the prompt as well. So it says you are a customer service assistant for this company, answer questions using the provided knowledge base about the services, keep every response short, maximum 1 to 2 sentences, maintain professional, helpful, friendly tone, always consider conversation history so your replies stay relevant, do not repeat information already given, trigger the get discount email function and to ask for their name and email address for the discount in triggers. So here if you scroll down, you can also select specific AI functions to trigger the specific or collect specific customer details. So here let's see if we have this get discount email function right here. So here let me search for the get discount email function. All right, so let's activate this one as well. So you can actually create any sort of functions and activate those functions right here for your AI agent. So this one, simply collect their name and email address to provide the specific discount as well. And here if you click on this option, you have the option to select specific models. For example, if you want to use the OpenAI as the first priority, move this up right here and select the specific model you are planning to use in the OpenAI as well. All right, currently GPT 5.4 mini is set up. All right, and here you can set the temperature, tokens and other things as well. So only if the OpenAI fails, it will try to generate a response from the Grok as well. But if you want Google Gemini as the second priority, move this right here and select a specific model from the Google Gemini as well. Simple as that. All right, and here we have another prompt right here saying if the customer's question cannot be answered using the available information in the knowledge base, respond with null. Do not provide additional explanation, text, other things as well. Only return null. So here if a particular customer asks something not in this specific business information, it has the capability to return the null. So we need to actually build a flow to handle this one as well. So for now, let me click on save, and here the company name is Blue River Plumbing Services. So let me click on save over here. So as I mentioned earlier, if you go to the AI tools, AI function, here you can actually create any sort of AI functions as you like to collect specific customer details. For example, get discount email, here we collect their name, email address and then trigger the email AI chatbot email confirmation flow to send them the specific discount coupon as well. So now Let's create a AI flow to use the specific agent we have created right here with the specific null options as well. All right, so let me say Blue River Plumbing Services AI bot. All right, so here this is the A bot we are going to create right here. All right, so let me click on actions, use OpenAI. All right, and here generate text agents and choose Blue River Plumbing Services. All right, choose Blue River Plumbing Services. All right, and here user input, last user input you can keep as it is, and let's say AI output, and click continue. All right, so now you can actually add a condition right here. For example, if the A output is null, then we don't want to send any sort of message for them. Is null, we don't want to send them any messages. So here, if it is not, we can simply send the A output to the customer, which is generated by the AI OpenAI A output. All right, so if it is null, you can actually assign the conversation to the agents as well. For example, you can add an action right here, action inbox, assign conversation to an admin, say Henry Allen. All right, so if a user asks something not in that specific business information, it will simply or secretly assign the conversation to the specific agent. Otherwise, it will use AI to handle the specific user request as well. All right, so let me click on publish over here. So it has been published. So now let me go back to the settings over here and select this one as the fallback flow, Blue River Plumbing AI bot. All right, save it. So now it will simply work on all these support channels, and if the customer's question cannot be answered right here, it will simply return the null. Instead, it simply automatically assign the conversation to the specific agent as well. All right, so now let's test this on the Facebook page and see how this actually works. So here I'm on the Facebook page. Let me send a message over here, and here let me ask about the specific business service areas. All right, so let me say, what areas do you serve? All right, I just sent a message saying what areas do you serve. So here it is a response. It says, can you tell me your city or zip code or share an address? I can then confirm whether we service in the area list or nearby town, etc. I am from Round Rock area. So here it is the response. So it says we do serve the Round Rock area. We typically cover Round Rock plus nearby towns and suburbs 20 to 30 miles radius, including but not limited to all these areas. So to confirm the specific location of the user, it simply keep asking for their zip code as well. For example, let me say what services they provide. What services do you provide? All right, so here I'm asking about the services. So here there is a response saying we provide all these services right there. So here now let me ask the AI chatbot whether it actually knows my location or not. Initially I shared I am from this Round Rock area. So let me say, do you know my area? So let me ask this and see what happens over here. So here we receive a response. So it says, yes, we know Round Rock area and the surrounding communities, and we serve that area. Simple as that. So since I have already shared I am from that specific Round Rock area, it simply send a response. When I ask about whether they know my area, it simply says we know Round Rock area and served as well, and it simply provide quick notes from the local experience they have already worked with on that specific area, all these details as well. Simple as that. So it simply provide all the details using the conversation history right now. So that's a quick video how you can actually build a chatbot with memory. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.